We'll be covering the installation of Rustbuster's rear unibody stiffener for Jeep's XJ Cherokee. Before you begin, if at any point you are uncomfortable with any of the processes, we strongly suggest you seek out the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the required tools listed, and ensure you follow all the manufacturer's safety precautions and operations while using them. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards, such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting, and remove any fire hazards from the work area. Step 2. Lift your vehicle enough to give you room to work, and secure it with 2 jack stands. Step 3. Remove the rear wheel of the side you intend to work on. Step 4. If there are any bumper brackets in the way of the rear rail, remove them at this time, according to the manufacturer's instructions. Additionally, if your gas hose cover remains, remove it with a 10mm socket. Step 5. With a 13mm socket, remove your bump stop and detach your sway bar bracket, allowing it to slightly flex. Step 6. Prepare your weld zone by scoring and grinding away any rust and debris. Begin putting the part into place by referencing the center 2 holes with the 2 sway bar bracket holes and the 3 bumper bracket holes. Bend the part roughly into shape and slide the edge in between the bracket. Step 7. With a jack, push the part up into place, allowing it to bend and conform to the vehicle, while ensuring the holes are aligned. Continue forming the steel along the bend until there are no gaps and clamp it into place. Align the tabs of the bend insert as shown and clamp it into place. Continue to shape the part as needed while adjusting clamp points until there are no gaps. Step 8. Utilizing proper safety precautions and welding techniques, tack weld the part into place, remove the C-clamps, and completely weld around all edges and through all stitch weld slots. And you're done.